me tell y'all, I can't never have nothing nice. I don't know where my remote is. It's a little ghetto, so I can't stop and take no pictures. I can't do nothing that I want to do, and life is ghetto today. But we can make it work. I'm gonna use the Tasha So Canvas Primer. Actually, this isn't gonna be a talk to video, so let's just cut it right there. Okay, so here I'm just rubbing in my moisturizer. As you guys can see, it's always good to work with the moisturized face. Now we're doing my eyebrows with using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And the color that I'm using is Granite because I love a black eyebrow. Next, I'm gonna conceal my under eye with the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Tan Sand. And I also prime my eyes with that same concealer.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
Okay, and then I use some Tarte base for my eyes also over that. Then I'm gonna go in with the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And the first color I'm gonna use is Madagascar. It's a nice little brown. You know, nothing too much. Then I'm going back in with the color Sheba. Let's put a little more. It's a little bit darker and has a little shimmer in it. Then I'm gonna go into the color Egypt. It's a nice pretty little emerald green. It has a shimmer as well.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
Then I went into the color Zuri. Just went over that, and then we're gonna blend that out after we're done highlighting our eyebrow bone and all that good stuff. With that same brush that we used the first time with the color Madagascar, you're just gonna go basically back into it and blend it all together. Okay, so next I'm gonna do a wing, and this is my pen by Benefit. It's an eyeliner, and it's in the color black.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
Oh, I suck at doing wings. I'm surprised I didn't mess up. so now I'm gonna put on some lashes. Not sure what lashes these are, and I don't even think they're the same lashes once you see it at the end.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
Okay, so since I've already primed my face, I'm gonna go into my foundation, and this is the Huda Beauty foundation in the color Brown Sugar. And I'm not using a brush. I actually have been watching a lot of Sandra Deluxe lately, and if you see her, you know she does her makeup with her hands, and I've actually been liking it. It makes my foundation melt into my skin. So just something to try if you haven't tried it yet.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
And then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer, and that is in the color Tan Walnut. It's a real full coverage concealer. I really like it. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Matchstick in the color Truffle. Just chisel my face out. My Real Techniques brush, and I'm just like kind of like patting that in. I'm not necessarily brushing it. I brushed it down there, but I feel like if you brush too hard, it'll like move the product.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
And I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics. I lied. Black Radiance palette, and it's a true complexion palette, and it's a light to medium. And just go over that and make it pop. Then I'm gonna get my Huda Beauty baking powder, setting powder in the color Banana Bread. Just set my under eyes and like in between my nose where I get oily at. And then chisel my face back out. Okay, so now I'm just getting my Wet n Wild highlighter, and that's in the color Golden Flower, and just highlighting my nose and my cheekbones, and I believe my forehead. Let's see. Yep, I knew. And that's just a little pencil. It's probably by LA Girls or somebody. It'll be linked below. It's just a regular black eyebrow pencil, or eyeliner, if you will. Then I'm going to go back under my eye with those same colors that I used earlier from the palette. And if you get a little bit too much, that's okay, because you're still going to blend it out either way. And I just took a little bit of that brown and blended it out because I used too much of the green underneath and I wasn't feeling it. Then I'm going to take my Man Eater mascara by Tarte. I'm so sad they don't have this one. Maybe it's just the packaging because they have a black one. But I love that mascara. It's bomb. Then I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX pencil, and that is in the color, let's see the color, Nutmeg. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. lip gloss. It's in the color Praline. Then I'm going to go over top with my NYX lip gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. Then I'm going back over with my highlighter and just highlighting my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to get my Morphe setting spray, spray my face, and that's about it. That's what it takes, you know, to not be ugly no more. But I'm finished. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.